This week we had family meeting outside. Saw a beautiful rainbow, just like my family. Noah and his family saw a beautiful rainbow too. Noah was protected because he did not die in the flood.
He was protected.
No, he was protected because he was obedient.
This week in primary, we read 4 scriptures.
This week we read 4 scriptures for primary homework.
It taught us that we will be blessed
That taught us that we will be blessed
if we're obedient.
if we're obedient.
Stand still. Noah sent up a dove
Noah sent a dove
to see if it was safe.
to see if it was safe to get out of the boat.
Just like that dove,
Just like that dove,
we can use the Holy Ghost
we can use the Holy Ghost
to help us
to help us
find
find
spiritual dangers.
spiritual dangers.
To remind you to use the Holy Ghost,
To remind you to use the Holy Ghost,
I brought each of you
I brought each of you a dove chocolate.